In today's tutorial we're going to do single crochet in the front loop. So when you see two strands like this, them together is considered one stitch. But if you segregate the one that's closest to you is the front loop and the one that's away from you is the back loop. So in this particular tutorial we're going to do the front loop. So to start the first one we are going to just chain up one, and we just want to dig down underneath and go upward and only capture the one front loop and single crochet as normal. So we just dig in and only capture one. And what this is doing on the other side of this project, it's creating a ridge. So depending on the project, whether you're working on the front side or the back side, it may tell you to use front loop or back loop. And let's turn it around and see what's going on, and there is the ridge. So if I would have used this as a back loop I would have saw the ridge on this side, but when I use it as a front loop the ridge then appears on the other side. So this is how you do the front loop for single crochet.